Hi guys, welcome to explain me how. In this video I'm gonna tell you that how can you cancel your Shopify trial. Open up the browser and type Shopify and open the website of Shopify. You cannot proceed this process on your Shopify application, so you have to open the website on your browser. After opening the website, click on the settings which is present in the top left corner of your screen. You have plenty of options, but you have to click on plans to see this interface. Here you will find the option of deactivate trial or choose plan. In case if you click on choose plan, it will start showing you all the plans in Shopify, but you have to click on deactivate trial. You will find the option of cancel subscription and deactivate store. You have to click on please select and give a specific reason that why are you deactivating your account. Now you have to press continue to continue. Now press on deactivate account immediately and your account will be deactivated. This is how you can easily cancel your trial and deactivate your account as well. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and also comment below.